So this next installation is Entwined by Toy Studio, and it reminds me a lot of the previous installation here underneath the motorway. So it's not Kiwi, but it's London based. So here we go. Oh, they did Swarm. I should have known it was English, because it's white again. Like, you know, they do like their monochrome here. I have vivid memories of the Kiwi sculpture, and I've got that on my playlist. I think it was from 2023. And it just unfolded, but here it is. It's like icicles. So, Entwine. It doesn't move. It kind of just, you know, the light travels across those little icicles, I think. Over here. Sorry, just dodging some cyclists as well some Uber Eats drivers. So that's a different perspective of it. But it's so British, it's so English that they always have. They don't have much colour when they do their vivid installations. It's just white, icicle white. So a bit of colour would be nice. So underneath the motorway here.